Hi Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 17th of August till 23rd of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming week. Alright, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so this is a general reading. As you all know, it might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's begin for my Aquarians now. 3 shuffles. So I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies. Okay, so let's see. Alright, so at the back of the deck it's the High Priest. So might be in concern with some higher knowledge for someone, but it's like, you know, where you are like, how to say this, where you are more into some other things, you know. There are some different goals in your life, there are different journey, everyone has a different journey, so yours is also different. So that is what I'm seeing, that you are, you know, you are getting yourself into something different, from a really different energy is this. We'll clarify. Alright, so your past energies are Knight of Rods, 3 of Swords and 4 of Cups. So I'm seeing that you are not accepting something, you know, when your emotions, and it's like your emotions, you are not able to feel your emotions. If a love is coming towards you, you are not accepting it. Might be you, might be the other person, because with the 3 of Swords and 4 of Cups in your past energy, so this might be a past incident in your life where, you know, you were like, you were very passionate for something, because with the Knight of Rods in your energy as well. So, you know, you were giving a lot, you were like loving, you were passionate about it, but someone was not accepting the love which you were offering, or whatever energy you were offering, someone was not accepting. Might be a job opportunity which you might have missed, but it's anything, that kind of energy which you were offering, but someone was not accepting that energy. So this might be you, as well as, you know, where you are not accepting the things which are offered by someone else. So this might be you as well in the situation. The World, 4 of Pentacles and 8 of Cups in your present energy, and the energy is still holding on into that, you know, leaving from the situation and holding on to whatever thinking, to whatever feeling of yours. I'm seeing that someone is like, I'm seeing that, no, there is a different energy. It's like with the World card as well, so the whole process is coming to an end. So that energy where you were not accepting the things first, now you are leaving the holding on energy. Like, I'm not able to accept, no, you are not holding on to that energy, you are accepting the change. So with the World card, I'm seeing, if it was you, so you are ready to, you know, end the process of not accepting, and you are leaving, you are just leaving it back, because there is a change in your current energy. So you might be, you know, calling for a higher self, a higher voice, and you are listening to someone who is really good in, like, who really loves to motivate. So you might be listening to some kind of a motivational speaker as well. I don't know why, because there is a change, something is coming, and you're like not accepting is coming to a total opposite feeling. Your immediate future energies are 6 of Cups, 2 of Pentacles and Queen of Cups. So it's like, yes, so you, if you are emotional, you are feeling that. So I'm seeing that you are, there's a change coming in every step, your past, present, future. The more, you know, the more you were not emotional before, so you're becoming more emotional in future, if you were not like that in your past. Alright, so let's see why the High Priestess is here in your Overall energy. Why the High Priestess is here? Queen of Swords with the Nine of Cups. See, this is that energy where you are ready to accept. You are, see, you're wishing for, basically what you want is, you want clarity. You don't want someone who is misguiding you, someone who is just talking behind your back, who is like, in front of you, who is like so much loving, and behind your back who is a totally different person. You don't want these kind of things. That is why I'm seeing in your past also you are rejecting these kind of love offers, or these kind of offers which are coming towards you, because they were, you know they were not real. And you actually want the truth. You always wanted that whatever this is, whatever you want to tell me, whatever I need to hear, please just tell it on my face. Please stop doing all this kind of misguiding stuff to me. No, so you are not like that. Let's see, why is this Knight of Rods over here? So many cards. Okay. Why the Knight of Rods is here in King of Swords? Alright, so Queen of Swords and King of Swords, we have the both. So intellectual, you are air sign, so this is you, I know that. So all you want is the truth. Truth actually matters for you. So the decision which was actually done, for the thing which you were actually, if you were the one who were actually offering the person, or if you were the one who was not accepting, so there was a big, that kind of an energy where someone is really restricted towards their own disciplines, their own principles, I'm seeing. So whosoever this person was not able to change himself or herself. Like with the King of Swords and the Emperor, it's like a tyrant kind of a person who cannot be, manipulated. That person. So this might, I don't know whosoever this person is, but their feelings, their feelings are off. And what they actually want is like, if I'm telling you, if it's, it's my way or highway type of a person. So if I'm telling you to do this, you have to do this, because it's how we do that. All right, so this is that that kind of person, a tyrant. I don't know why I'm getting this word, but yes. Let's see, why is this Three of Swords in your past energies? Nine of Swords. Okay, so there was something, there was a sad, might be a breakup for some of you, a sad separation where someone was not accepting, because someone was such a person, like no means no. If I've said no, for someone's, like, feelings were off for someone over here. And there is a feeling that one person is showing the love whatever this person has towards the another, and the other person is actually just showing that he or she is off. Emotions are off. It's all the mind games the other person was playing. Let's see, why the Four of Cups is here. Four of Pentacles. See how this person is like so much of a person, like stubborn person, who is just holding on to a no, to that rejection. No means no. So that is what is happening in the past. Like if you are feeling like, if you're feeling hungry and you're not eating, so this is that kind of a stubbornness. No, I will not eat. No, I will not do what I have thought. So whatever decision I have made, that is the gospel truth. So this is that kind of a person. But the changes are coming with the World card. See, changes, they do come. They will not wait for anyone. So things can change all of a sudden, but I'm seeing the present, things are really changing. Let's see, why the World is here. The World is clarified by World. Okay, so let's see. So a big change. I think changes are on both the sides over here. Yeah. Let's see, why the Four of Pentacles is here. Six of Pentacles, Six of Swords, and King of Rods. See, so how this thing, from Four of Pentacles, it has changed to, Four of Pentacles so these two are very contradictory cards, because Four of Pentacles is like holding on to that coin, to that money which you have, and Six of Coins is like charity. Now the change is like that, as if the way you were holding on to your emotions, now you are able to give your emotions. Okay, take, if I love you, okay, I will give you more, more, more. So this is that energy with the Six of Pentacles over here. And the change is so beautiful that you also want to go towards calmer water, and the other person with whom you are dealing, or this situation, basically everything is going towards a stable platform, I'm seeing. Yeah, and the action is there. There is action. The action has been started, whatever it's present. Let's see, why is the Eight of Cups? So this attraction, so this was a bad thing. The past was, wherever you were stuck, it was really bad. So now you are leaving that past, that bad past. I'm seeing that you are leaving. If that was an attraction, if that was a, might be, for some of you, it might be a spell as well, which was there in your past energies, but you are leaving that energy. That energy is leaving from you. A change is coming up. Yes, so it's happening right now in your present. So you might be feeling that, oh my god, what is happening to me, or what is happening to this person. So this was written. Okay, so might be a spell. Yes, again I would like to say might be. Well, we don't do that, this is really bad. So might be for some of you. Let's see, Six of Cups, your future energies. Why is the Six of Cups here? Ace of Pentacles, wow, Nine of Pentacles, and Eight of Pentacles. See how beautiful these energies are in your future. With the Pentacles, it's like, with the Pentacles, it's like stable, grounded energies coming your way. So your past, if you are looking towards your past memories, if you are thinking about some people, so everything is coming towards you, and it is really giving me a stable feeling, that energy where everything's stable, everything you want is happening, because you are working on that stuff. You are working now. So you wanted to heal, and you were healed with the World card. If the healing was involved, you have healed from the situation. Yes, so it's your healing process which is going on right now, and a lot is there to come your way in the near future. Let's see, why the Two of Pentacles is here in your future energies. Three of Pentacles. Okay, so yes, so if you are confused, the confusion is going to end, and you are trying to work on a particular situation. You are ready to work on the situation. You were confused before, like which way to go, which thing to accept first. Like you have two situations: your family, your job, your friends. So these kind of situations come up in your life, but you are more focused in your in your work. I'm seeing with the Pentacles, so many of Pentacles are here. I'm seeing that you are more focused in your work. So you are investing all your energies on your work, and that's it. Let's see, why is this Queen of Cups here in your future energies. The Chariot. Okay, so two Cancer cards are here. Might be dealing with a Cancer, and the Cups is here again. So many of Cups and Coins. So the energies are really stable which are coming, because the the swords were there in your past energies. So it was like things were really going fast, and things were like they were just disrupting your whole life. So but now things are really settling down, and with the Pentacles and Cups energies in your future as well, I'm seeing that you are moving on. You are just going with the flow. You are stable. You are calm. You are working on your stuff. You are independent. You're I have said stable, yes. So you are independent. You know your self-worth. You know your value. So this is that beautiful energy which is coming towards you in your future, I'm seeing. All right, so that's all, Aquarius. That's all from my side. I hope it helps, and we'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.